Hello and welcome to my channel. Today let's make plum cake. This is a rich and delicious fruit cake made using soaked dry fruits and alcohol along with some nuts and spices. So let's begin with the recipe. The recipe needs some preparation in advance. Do click the icon on the top right side to watch the detailed video on soaking of dry fruits. The fruits can be soaked up to a month. Soaking the fruits in alcohol enhances the flavor and acts as a preservative and gives moisture to the plum cake. You can use your choice of alcohol for soaking the fruits. I have used rum with a small quantity of ginger wine. You will also need some spices. So powder 1 inch of cinnamon, 3 cloves, 1 pod of cardamom, a small piece of nutmeg and dry ginger powder 1/4 teaspoon and keep it aside. For the caramel syrup, heat 2 tablespoons of raw or white sugar. Do not mix it. Let it melt. Switch off the flame, add 2 tablespoons of water to it and bring it to a boil. Mix it until it melts completely. Transfer it to a bowl and let it cool completely. Your caramel syrup is ready for the cake. This gives flavor and color to the plum cake. To a bowl, add 1/3 cup plus 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, that is 100 grams, and beat it until it's smooth. To this, add half cup plus 1 tablespoon of granulated brown sugar or 140 grams of powdered sugar. Add 2 eggs at room temperature, one at a time. Beat this until it turns light and creamy. For the dry ingredients, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is 140 grams. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, that is 10 grams. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of spice mix and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Skip this if you are using salted butter. Sift the flour, mix it well and keep it aside. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to the egg mixture. Then add caramel syrup and mix well. Now time to add the dry ingredients. Add it in parts. To this add the soaked fruits. I'm adding about 2/3 cup. You can add up to 1 cup. Coat it with the flour. This will avoid sinking of the fruits in the cake. Add the remaining dry ingredients. Chopped dry fruits. I'm using walnuts, that is 2 tablespoons finely chopped, and 2 tablespoons of almonds finely chopped. Fold this mixture to form a thick batter. Now transfer the batter to a lined cake tin. Tap the tin. Top it with some soaked fruits or nuts. Transfer it to a preheated vessel for about 10 minutes or an oven preheated for 170 degrees. Cover it and let it cook. The baking time depends. It may take 45 minutes to 1 hour. When a skewer comes out clean, the cake is completely baked. Prick holes on the hot cake and pour some rum. This helps to keep the cake moist and acts as a preservative and also enhances the flavor. Cover the hot cake with the cloth until it cools completely. Demold it once it's completely cooled. Your plum cake is now ready. Cut it on the next day of the preparation. The taste enhances next day onwards. Once it's completely cool, wrap it in a baking paper and cling wrap and store at room temperature. Thanks for watching.